Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm in my house, right here in my room, and it's very boring when we don't have much to do here. So I just wanted to say that we don't have much places to go, and we have to keep safe, and we have to go away from people, and there's not much places to go. So we had to stay at home more, and everything came to a stop. So we had to stay at home and keep safe. And I'm in my room, as you can see, and I got new curtains, and I paint my room, and I also got a new little backpack that I really enjoy. And then here I study, and I have some pictures here too. And I do all this stuff with you guys. And I have a lot of toys. As you can see, I have a lot of toys. And I really love my room. I love sleeping in my bed too. It's so cozy and soft. I got this bed and a lamp. This I made with my dad. And it's really pretty. I really enjoy it. And I color that drawing over there. I really had to do more stuff inside, and I stay in my room sometimes. Oh, and I have this fancy chair that I really love sitting in here, and it helps me think. And I have some pictures here too, when I was 3. And then here's a picture of me right now. I have so many rocks. This is one of my favorite rocks, because it has a lot of rocks inside. And I also wonder why it's kind of yellow. How does it get the color after yellow? How do the rocks get their color? We found a lot of rocks. There's different colors. You can find orange, red, black, brown, and silver, and white. Pretty strong here, and you can also get very cold. I'm a statue. I can go like this, 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 like a bird. What other poses should I do? Wow, that was pretty. Ooh, what is this? Noah! Me and Noah are going to race. Noah, stand this rock. And whoever touches the water, it has to start from the beginning again, okay? No, that one. No, that one. Noah. That one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hammer. 1, 2, and go! No pushing. Go! Some of these rocks are very unstable. Like this one. You always have to check first to see if they move. This one. I'm checking to see if they move. They don't move. I scared you guys, and then Noah went boom after me. This is what we found. It's like a tree that fell from somewhere, and where I'm pretending that it's a forest. Yeah. This is like how I say, right like the wind.
play
a card
game. I always win.
No, you don't. So this is how it works.
There's also money.
I am going to. Noah's going to pick a card at any card.
But this
I
is a
am
magic.
going to mix it up,
And I do it.
and then I am going to try to pick his card. Okay, Noah. Pick a card, Noah. One card, and look at me. Okay, don't show me.
It's like,
Okay. Okay, so now put it inside. Oh, I looked at it. Okay, let's see. What card should I pick? Let's see. Is this your card?
That one bad.
Let's see.
And there was
His card.
and I. But now can we play like the game?
Okay, me and Noah are going to play a different game, which is also one of my favorites. I am going to pick 2 cards.
Hey.
I'm going to pick 2 cards, and you can see it. This A means 11 or 1. And whoever gets to 21 wins.
But
let's put these together. I'm going to pick 11 and 10. 11 and 10. 11 plus 10. What is it, Noah?
21.
Let's count. 11. Let's start with 11 because 11 is bigger. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I got to 21 and I won. I got to 21 and I won.
You won because I got
I won because
I
I have magic.
You can get one.
Bye.